Parang hindi na sila natitinag sa contempt order eh. Dahil ayaw lang nila sumagot sa committee na ito, ay gagamitin lang nila yung convenient reason na nagkakaroon sila ng travel order.
That's totally unacceptable. Ito ba ay practice sa Office of the Vice President na recklessly nag-i-issue kayo ng travel authority?
No, Mr. Chair.
O, ba't nyo ginagawa? Kung hindi naman pala.
Mr. Chair, it's not common, Mr. Chair. This is the first time
So that's irregular.
That is not usual, Mr. Chair.
You don't know where these persons are?
I have no personal knowledge, Your Honor.
Attorney Lopez, you're the chief of staff.
Your Honor, as mentioned early on, we do have a rollout of...
Kaya nga, but I'm sure,
But
meron
the
naman tong
exact-
assignments. Ikaw, doon ka. Ikaw, dito ka.